So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. And then you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. For me, it's my C drive, and I know it's my Windows drive because I've got the Windows logo right here. So you want to click on your Windows drive, and then you want to click on Windows, and then you want to scroll down until you find the software distribution folder. You just want to delete this, and then click on continue. Now the folder's been deleted for me. In your case, if you delete the folder, a lot of files are going to get deleted. However, if it says for you to try again, then you just want to leave it at that. You want to click on cancel. But once you click on delete on the software redistribution folder, it will delete the files that you need to delete for this tutorial, which is fine. And if the folder stays, then click on cancel and just leave it like that. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service and then click on W on your keyboard. And now you want to scroll down until you find Windows Update. You want to double click on it, and then you want to change the startup tab to automatic, and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. But if you already got to the stage of Windows Update and it was already on automatic and the service was already running, then you want to click on restart the service. And now once you complete both these steps, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.